Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to invite someone to Wyze. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who use Wyze camera security setup. How do you actually go ahead and invite someone to it? Now this video is also going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But first, we're going to access our Wyze app. And then once you're on this page here, on the bottom right hand side, you want to click on account. And then from here, you want to click on sharing. So next you're going to click on share with new user, and then you're going to enter the email of the individual that you want to invite Wyze to. Now once you enter their email, they're going to need to create an account on Wyze as well, so they'll be prompted to do so. And then afterwards, you're going to see their email that looks like this. So once you click on their email, you could actually go ahead and edit which devices you want to share. So on this blurred out email, for example, if you click on the pencil icon in the upper right hand corner, you'll be able to select which devices that you want to share with this individual. In addition, you could also share services as well. But once you select the devices that you want to share, you would just click on update, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and invite someone to Wyze. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.